What's good, Wealth Builders? It's your boy Devon back again with another video, and today we're talking about the real value of money. So let's go.
Now tuned into the greatest.
Okay, so before we get started, make sure to subscribe to the channel. We talk about making more money, saving more money, and building a better you and business. So without further ado, let's really get into this topic. What's the real value of money? Okay, all right, so the value of money is based off of this. It's called the time value of money. Money times inflation. This is the real value of your money, okay? You ever heard the term, a penny saved is a penny earned? Well, that's not entirely true. Okay, because nowadays it's more like a penny invested is 2 pennies earned. Okay, let me explain. All right, if you had $10,000 in your pocket today, okay, and had the same amount sitting in your pocket a year later, your money is worth less than $10,000 grand, 10 grand, whatever you want to call it, right? That you started with a year ago. This is called inflation. Okay. The yearly inflation rate is about 2.6% in the US at the time of this video, okay? So in essence, you will lose about anywhere between, say, 1% to 3% of your money if you don't invest your money at all or make it work for you, okay? Because putting money in a savings account won't help that much either. All right, most savings accounts don't grow at a rate faster than the yearly inflation rate. Okay, so the only true way is to beat inflation is to invest your money. Okay, and I recommend starting out with stock market investments, peer-to-peer investments, things like that. That's the only way to grow your money faster than inflation. All right, so if you want to learn how to, start investing, go ahead and click the link below. The stock market app I use is in the link below. Is the first or second app. Okay, I mean the first or second link in the description. Okay, it's clearly stated stock market app. Okay, go ahead and check that out because your money needs to work for you at all times. All right, the value of your money depends on how hard it works for you. If it's not working hard, then it's not worth much and will lose value, as you can see. Anywhere 2.6% might not sound like a lot, but once you start bringing in income and you start losing 2.6% of your buying power a year later, you'll understand what I mean. All right. Also, let's not forget starting your own online business. Okay, this will definitely put you on the road to an abundance-filled lifestyle, okay? If you're interested in learning more about that, click the link in the description. Also, it's called Wealthbuilderz System. It's my baby. Teach people how to make money online and become independent amongst, instead of having to work for, a 9-to-5 for the rest of your life. All right, so there you have it. It's your boy Devon signing off for the real value of money. Do remember, Wealth Builders, make more, save more, build more. Peace. It's the Wealth Builders, baby.